She's busily making a delicious meal for her family. What are we making, darling?
Meatloaf.
Meatloaf. Let's see. Oh, she puts it in the small oven at what temp?
350.
350. Your pocketbook is turning red. It must be done. Let's see. We missed the horseradish going into the, that was the secret ingredient.
Now it's not secret anymore.
We won't tell.
Please.
Let's go see what the big boy is doing. He's sticking his tongue out at the camera.
Barf.
He's doing one of his favorite routines. Let's give him a little more light. He looks just like a little flower, doesn't he? Let's see what he's studying. He's studying the state of Nevada. The Comstock load. Let's pan in here. And just, we're going to see if he's clean behind the ear. Yeah, he looks alright. And, oh, Mom's running away from the camera. She's got the hiccups tonight. I think we're going to go. I think we're going to head outside and see if we can find little brother.
He's gone.
He's gone. Well, we'll call him. There's the Farrell's home. There's the Cooper's home. And here's our home. Let's go outside, see if we can get Andrew. Andrew! We're Russell. Into the house. And there's a dormer over the other end of the house. But we still can't find Andrew, so we'll just go in the back door again. Hope we don't fall. There's the bell. Anybody home? Hello.
Hello.
We can't find Andrew.
I think
The latest inconvenience. A microwave oven. A speakerphone.
Would you get me the Parmesan, please, cameraman?
Yes, of course. And a fruit basket and a pantry. Parmesan. We don't see the Parmesan. There it is. I get into the picture every once in a while.
Don't film that.
Craft.
Thing.
Now she's adding butter to a little special concoction. Let's see how the chefess does this. She stirs it in carefully. Careful not to mash the noodles. Oh, and then she takes a bite with the same fork she's stirring it with. Do I take that this is not for family consumption, but for the chef?
Mm-hmm. It's chef's supper.
Chef's supper. A bowl of noodles.
Who's for him?
How did you stop Mom's hiccup, son? How did you stop it?
I stared.
You stared her down, huh? Okay.